Kia ora, ko Renee ahau, he uri tēnei no Ngāti Awa tū whare tō ngā puhi me Ngāti Ruanui. He kaimahi ahau kei āKI Innovations, kei kirikiri roa. So kia ora, my name's Renee. I'm a physiotherapist practicing in oncology, rehabilitation and lymphedema management here at āKI Innovations in Hamilton. So I'm here today to kōrero about He Puāwaitanga. I'm fortunate to be part of āKI Innovations, a kaupapa Māori health provider that has been able to weave together cultural competency and clinical expertise to create He Puāwaitanga, a wānanga program designed to Tautoko Wāhine Māori with mate pukupuku cancer diagnosis. He Puāwaitanga has been created by Wāhine Māori for Wāhine Māori to help reduce the barriers and inequalities to receiving oncology or cancer care. Puāwaitanga is a program that weaves Māori culture, healthy lifestyle and rehabilitation together. It's a collaborative approach to mate pukupuku underpinned by kaupapa Māori principles, utilising well-known Māori health frameworks. Karakia, maramataka, rongoā, poi and pau, to heal, connect, reflect and challenge. Wāhine attend in-person wānanga and have access to individual sessions of choice available from within the wider āKI team, including physiotherapy, counselling, nutritionist, social work and rongoā. This opportunity allows wāhine to exercise their mana motuhake of their hauora. We're really proud of the mahi that we do to support our wāhine and their whānau. We see you, we hear you, and we're with you.